Saw you spun by the neon glow. Pixelated eyes said hello. Joystick in your hand like you already know. Up, up, down. You crack my code. Heartbeat sync to arcade mode. We're a co-op dream, let's hit the road. Your laughs a power up I can't ignore. Each level sweeter than the one before. Pixel hearts, they're flashing bright. You and me in an 8-bit fight. Press start, let's save the night. Pixel hearts, they're burning bright. Pixel hearts, they're burning bright. You and me in an 8-bit fight. Press start, let's save the night. Pixel hearts, they're burning team. You're my player to my gaming queen. A love so rare like a hidden scene. We've got one life, so let's make it count. High score love, no game over doubts. Together forever, no rage quits allowed.
Kakaiba, pag-ibig nating dalawa.
And this is it, the fulfillment of that first expression of love.
Nabigyan po na yan. Ayan, first kiss na. Okay, promise.
On your mark, get set, go. Uy, nakita.
So una pa lang, ramdam ko na ligtas at masaya ang puso pag nariyang ka. Pag di ka kasama, di mangangamba, kasi alam kong sa akin ka. Balewala ang sasabihin ng iba, at kahit na hindi nila maiintindihan, kakaiba, kakaiba, kakaiba. Pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw at ako.
I will always choose you as my duo every lifetime.
Ikaw ang sagot sa matagal ko ng panalangin, love. Kaya mula sa araw na ito at sa lahat ng araw na darating, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at tuwa, I promise na ikaw ang mamahalin at pipiliin ko.
Sakali man na magkamali, ay aayusin at tatanggapin. Balewala ang sasabihin ng iba, at kahit na hindi nila maiintindihan.
To the God who promises forever by your prayers, surely your marriage will last to eternity.
Kakaiba, pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw ay kakaiba.
Today I I promise to be your husband, your lover, your friend.
Up to this day, araw-araw ko ipinagpapasalamat kay God na ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin.
Hanang tapat at totoo, pag-ibig na ikaw at ako. Di maikukumpara, pagmamahalang tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw